Ah, 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 ah. Oh, yes, oh, cutie pie, yes, oh, cutie pie. Oh, yes, cutie, 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 cutie. Oh, 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 your dick is so hard and oh, it's so thick and oh, pussy in your mouth. Oh, in your, oh. Oh, yes. Oh. Fuck me hard. Fuck me, yes. Fuck me in my ass. Fuck me for vagina.
Supposed to be a song, right?
Ah, 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 ah. Fuck me. Oh, yeah.
Well, the dude's like, think he's gonna be getting this kind of shit when I was having sex with him. And I was saying these sounds and words. I didn't want to say these sounds and words because they're not made for his dumb fucking ears. I was supposed to make a song with this, okay? It's not made for sex. The dumbass motherfucker thinks that, oh, it's for him. Yeah, that's him. You just heard him in the background. He really thinks that, oh, he's, some kind of, what you call that whenever a man is, wanting compliments. He thinks he's my, delicate rose. He really does think that about himself.